Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury and performance with the all-new 2025 BMW. This latest edition pushes the boundaries of design, technology, and driving dynamics, setting a new standard for what a modern luxury car should be. If you're a fan of cutting-edge innovation and ultimate driving pleasure, stick around as we explore everything this masterpiece has to offer. Design and exterior. The 2025 BMW brings a bold, futuristic design that seamlessly blends elegance with sportiness. The signature kidney grille is now more refined, featuring illuminated accents that enhance its presence on the road. Sleek, adaptive LED headlights give the car a sharp, aggressive look, while the aerodynamic body lines improve both efficiency and performance. The alloy wheels come in a range of stylish designs, adding to the overall dynamic appeal. Every inch of this car is crafted to turn heads, whether it's parked in a showroom or cruising on the highway. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of luxury and innovation. The cabin is designed with premium materials, from fine leather seats with contrast stitching to carbon fiber and brushed aluminum trims. The ambient lighting system offers customizable colors, setting the perfect mood for every drive. The ergonomic seats provide supreme comfort, with heating, cooling, and massage functions available for both front and rear passengers. A panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of space, bringing natural light into the interior for an open and airy feel. Technology and infotainment. BMW has taken technology to the next level with the 2025 edition. The curved digital dashboard seamlessly integrates the infotainment and driver displays, offering an intuitive, fully customizable experience. The latest iDrive system provides voice control, gesture recognition, and AI-powered assistance, making it easier than ever to stay connected while on the move. The premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, ensuring every drive feels like a private concert. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and 5G connectivity keep you plugged into the world, no matter where you go. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW offers a range of powerful yet efficient engine options, including hybrid and fully electric variants. The advanced suspension system provides a smooth yet responsive ride, whether you're navigating city streets or pushing the limits on the highway. The intelligent all-wheel drive system adapts to road conditions in real time, delivering maximum grip and control. With multiple driving modes, including Eco, Comfort, and Sport Plus, you can tailor the driving experience to match your mood and the road ahead. Safety and driver assistance. BMW has always prioritized safety, and the 2025 edition is no exception. The car comes equipped with an advanced driver assistance suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and a 360-degree camera system. AI-powered collision detection and emergency braking provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring peace of mind for both driver and passengers. With BM's latest autonomous driving capabilities, the future of effortless and safe mobility is here. Conclusion. The 2025 BMW is more than just a car, it's an experience. It represents the perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and driving pleasure, setting a new benchmark for the automotive industry. Whether you're drawn to its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, or exhilarating performance, this car is built to impress. What do you think about the all-new 2025 BMW? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and the latest updates from the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.